It's long, it's firm, and it satisfies. The Tooletries Back Scrubber is going to help you scrub where no man has scrubbed before with this ergonomic extra long handle to help you reach all those nooks and crannies, leaving no place unreached. You just use your favorite body wash to provide a deep clean as it exfoliates and invigorates, leaving you feeling completely invigorated and refreshed as you leave the shower. It's got a 100% silicone head, which means it's going to repel moisture and remain clean and hygienic when it's not in use, which is much better than the old loofah or brush. In order to store it and keep it accessible, you just use their Arnold hook, which can be applied to marble, tile, or glass as long as it's a smooth surface, and you can reposition it and move it around as needed, and it's easy to clean. So it's super accessible. This is another one of their great products, but definitely the Back Scrubber is the most popular Tooletries product for a reason. You can find this and other Tooletries products at MASC and shopmask.com.